be a passionate poor person. But if you have passion, then you will have what? Money. If you are shy, my upline just says, if you are shy, money will shy away from you. So be passionate about it. So let me say it again and we'll say it together. When I say, are you ready? Then you say, yes, I am happy, I am ready, pushing, 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 fighting, 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 yes. Let's say it again together, yes. Are you ready? Yes, I am happy, I am ready, pushing, 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 fighting, 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 yes. Big clap for yourself. Which always says, when you are in Tians, Hakuna Matata. Yes, if you are in Tians, Hakuna Matata. We say it in Amharic, chicken, yellow. Hakuna Matata, chicken, yellow. Can we say that together? Hakuna Matata, chicken, yellow. Hakuna Matata, chicken, yellow. There is no problem with Tians unless you have a problem in your mind. If you have a thank you. I mean it, I'm not lying. Am I lying? No. Everybody is telling the truth. Imagine if Mr. Lee didn't sit down and have a dream of one world compound. Then this place will not be like this today. So all the credit goes to him. And imagine having the best MD. You know, the only reason I came to Kenya is because I love your MD. Trust me. He supported me better than my own headquarters in Ethiopia. He supported me to develop a market in Somaliland, in Hargeisa. He supported me to develop a market in Dubai. Now with the trust in the belief of this headquarters, I will go all over the world. I will make sure that every country has a downline for me. That is for what I am no more doing things to get money. You know, you must have a dream bigger than yourself. Then chance is right for you. But if you have a dream to eat, to drive a car, and to build a house, then go somewhere and do it. But in chance, if you are really hungry and angry for success, if you really want to be a big person for your country, for our motherland, Africa, then chance is, the right hand for us. Let me prove you something, what happened to me in my life, in our country, in my house. 5 years ago, I used to suffer to have a transport, even to eat. I couldn't support my family. I'm married and I am a father of two sons. And I was not able to buy bread, single bread for them. So my brother, who was living in the USA, he used to send me some money, like $200, $300. Not every month, maybe every 3 months. Imagine when you are educated and you can work, but you cannot support your family. So Tians came into my family, and then I set a dream. That dream was what? In the future, I must make sure that I will send US dollars to those guys who are in the USA, so that I can make sure that they are living better. That was my dream. You know what? It happened already now. I have a brother who has master's degree in civil engineering, and he is living in the USA. He has a family. Now let's do the maths. Is Africa better than the USA, or USA is better than Africa? In my family, Africa is better than the USA. Now I'm an accountant, let me do the maths for you. My brother there, he bought a house with mortgage, 30 years to go, okay? And the ground plus 2 houses. And the ground, he rented it for somebody else so that he can support his family. And he has paid 5 years, so 25 years after this, 25 years he will be paying. But now from Tian's bonus, me and my wife is 8-star. We built our own house, 4-story house, and we didn't rent the ground floor. It's for us to live in. 100% from Tian's bonus, number 1. Number 2, my brother in the US, I remember, he was earning $75,000 US per year. And you know what he did? When he got the raise to $85,000 US per year, he gave me a call and he said, congratulations, I get your raise. But last year, I made 120,000 US dollars from Tian's bonus. So who's better, Africa or the USA? Africa is better than the USA. I'm telling you this. Now I will be traveling all over Africa until I am dead drop. Till I make that every family member is better than the families in the US. In the future, we will be supporting the diaspora there. If you believe you are an African, if you don't believe you are no more African. So to do so, we have Tians as a vehicle, which is very easy. In the future, I think, this is my belief. When we die, we go to heaven or whatever, but there will be a checking point, I believe. That checking point, in that checking point, I think God will ask us, I sent you Tians, what did you do with it? If you waste it, you will go to hell. If you use it, you will go to heaven. So this is my strong belief. I'm not just telling you this, to make you happy. No. Are you really responsible with this year's business? What do? You just talk. We've been talking since the very first day we were born. We started to talk by crying. As far as I remember, everybody cried. Then after every day you are talking. Yes. What are you talking about? Are you talking about the government? Are you talking about the rain? Are you talking about the transportation problem, whatever? Be focused. Talk about success. Talk about your dreams. You say and you become. You say and you become. Let me share you something. All of you today, I want you to write the bonus that you want to get by December 2014. Write it, please. How much bonus do you want to earn? And post it in your bedroom. I did the same thing. While I was earning about 20,000 per month Kenyan shilling, I posted to earn 150,000, and it happened. Then when it happened, I posted another one, 500,000 Kenyan shillings per month, and it happened. And I posted now 5 million Kenyan shillings per month, and I'm getting now 1-2 million per month. But last month, I made over 4 million Kenyan shillings per month. Let me tell you something, it's not just about the money. Behind that money, millions of people's lives are being changed. Like how joyful we changed my life. I always pray for my upline. Because it is a gift she gave me freely. How could I keep quiet? It's rude not to talk about Tians. It's a crime not to talk about Tians. It's a responsibility. If you see problems all over the world or on the streets, if you see problems, then it's your responsibility. I'll be traveling. Now I'm expanding. I have another dream. There are many Africans in Arabic countries working as housemaids. Do you feel